Hello, this is Pete, your Service Sidekick support guy. This video is to give you an overview of how to create a new customer record in your customer flow line. In this first step, you learned how to use the search feature. You now need to know how to create your new customer that is called in for service or an estimate for work to be done. Simply click on the new customer link in the upper right of your Service Sidekick account. This first box is the name of your customer. This could be the first and last name of a residential customer or the commercial name of your customer. If you input your customer names by last name first, then type in the name field last name, comma, first name, and you will see we automatically insert those names as the primary contact. Here's a tip to make this process go a little faster and save your wrists. Use the tab key on your keyboard and move down the screen field by field. Secondly is the phone number field. Type in the phone number using digits, dashes, and periods only. No labels. Keep it to 21 characters or less. We give you the option to add an alternate phone number by clicking on Add Alt Phone, as well as a fax number. The email field is an important field these days. If you have an email address for your customer, then it must be configured here in proper email format, which is name, @, and then the domain name. The domain name are usually AOL or Yahoo or Gmail or Comcast.com. Then we tab down to the service address field. Make sure you separate out the different parts of the address as the field label, state, and so on. You will see immediately next the billing address. We give the option to use the service addresses as the billing address, as you will for most residential customers. But for those commercial customers, you may need to use a different address. Once you have completed the billing address, we give you a couple standard reporting options. First is the customer type. This is self-explanatory and is a very good field to fill out with each of your customers. We will go over on how to customize these customer types in a later video and how to report on them. Tabbing down to the next field is the customer source. This is the field you will fill out by asking the customer how they found your phone number. Again, we will go over on how to customize these sources later. And then, if you charge tax and you have already completely synchronized with your QuickBooks, you will see your tax field. And lastly, you have the special instructions field. This field can be used for customer-related information such as gate codes, watch for dogs, always pull a PO before doing work, etc. And tab and click on Create Customer. It's that easy.